Okay, class, let's have an example for potential difference or voltage. Problem number 1. You have a 12 volts motorcycle battery. So, tingnan natin. Meron daw ditong 12 volts motorcycle battery that can move 5,000 coulombs of charge. And another battery which is car battery. 12 volts din siya. And kaya niyang mag-move ng 60,000 charge. So, ang hinihingi dito, how much energy does each deliver? So, ang hinihingi, how much energy or electric potential energy. So, let's write the given. So, meron tayong dalawang given. Una, motorcycle. Then, pangalawa is car battery. So, meron na tayo. So, isulat na natin yung given sa motorcycle battery. Voltage is 12 volts. Charge is 5,000 coulomb. Dito naman tayo sa car battery. Voltage is 12 volts. Charge is 60,000 coulombs. So, ano yung required? Electric potential energy. 3. So, ano na yung sunod? So, meron tayong formula na voltage is equal to electric potential energy over charge. So, parehas lang naman yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, i-substitute na natin para sa motorcycle battery. So, meron tayong voltage na 12 volts. Hinahanap natin yung electric potential energy. Then, meron tayong charge na 5,000 coulombs. So, what's next? Cross multiplication. So, meron tayong electric potential energy is equal to 12 volts multiplied by 5,000 coulombs. So, meron tayong electric potential energy na 12 times 5,000. So, meron tayong 60,000 VC or meron tayong 60,000. Ano nga yung unit ng energy? Joule. Saan yan nanggaling? So, tignan natin kung saan nanggaling yung joule. VC is equal to, ano nga yung voltage? Joule over coulomb multiplied by the coulomb. So, cancel yung coulomb. Ang natira na lang is joule or si J. So, dyan nanggaling si coulomb. So, okay na tayo dito. Erase ko na. So, hanapin naman natin yung sa car battery. Same formula lang naman. So, ilagay na natin. Voltage is 12 volts is equal to unknown na electric potential energy. Then, meron tayong charge na 60,000 coulomb. So, cross multiplication. Magiging electric potential energy is equal to 12 volts multiplied by 60,000 coulomb. So, electric potential energy. 12 times 60,000 is 720,000. Ano yung natira? VC or electric potential energy. Electric is 720,000. Ano yung unit ng energy? Joule. So, ganun lang kadali. So, tapos na tayo sa problem number 1.